Hey, welcome back to the kitchen, man. We're going to do some trash can tacos. Okay, right on. Good stuff. Well, I got about 6, 7, strips of bacon there, some cilantro, some mushrooms, tomato, jalapeno, a red onion, some mushrooms, some cheese, got some mozza, some cheddar. Okay, right on. Now over here in the spice department, grab yourself some paprika, maybe Cajun, a little bit of cumin, bit of cayenne, some turmeric, and some parsley there. You can grab whatever you want, but that's what I'm going with, man. Okay, cool. And then grab yourself some all-purpose flour. We're going to need that for what we're doing here, right on. And some heavy whipping cream here. I'm just using some whipped cream, man. It works, right on. And some nachos, man. Grab some butter, too. We're going to need some butter. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut my bacon into the little strips. Just little pieces here, because that's what I want. Okay, and then what you want to do is grab yourself a saucepan there and put in, probably about 3 tablespoons of butter here. What we're kind of going to go after here is to make a little roux. Right, now back to our roux. So yeah, get your 2 tablespoons of butter thereabouts here. Just start melting that down a little bit. Okay, and then what you're gonna want to do is throw in about a tablespoon of flour, all-purpose flour here. Kind of thicken it up a little bit. And you're just going to want to stir it and kind of cook the flour a little bit here. And this will take, probably about 5 minutes or so. Okay, right on. Now throw in your whipping cream. About a cup of heavy cream there. And about 8 ounces of cheese. I got some mozzarella and some cheddar. Whatever you want to go with is good though. Oh, look at that cheesiness. That's what you're going after there, guys. At this point too, I'm going to dice up a tomato now. Yeah, I'm going to toss in some sour cream as well, just to kind of cream it up a little bit. Yeah, look at that cheesy cheese. I'm just going to toss in my bacon after I drained it off. Toss that in right with the cheese. And then just take that tomato, boom, throw that in there too. Is throw in a teaspoon of cumin, about a half a teaspoon of paprika, throw in about probably about a half a teaspoon of Cajun. And you know what? We're going to skip the chili here. But you know what? We're going to throw in a teaspoon of fresh parsley. We're going to skip the chili and throw in a teaspoon-ish of parsley. Now while you're getting that going here, might as well chop yourself up. Oh, geez. I'm going to use about half a red onion. And I'm gonna do the same deal here with 4 big white mushrooms. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Okay, now here's where the trash can comes in here. What I'm using is just it's a coffee tin. Boom, get that, right? It is all half the onion on top and a little bit of mushrooms. Toss those in there. And boom, throw some chips in there. And then take your cheese mixture that you got there. Oh yeah, toss some of that in there. I think you can see where I'm going here, guys. And just kind of layer it up. Put some more of these in. Goodness. Alright guys, here's where the magic happens. Grab yourself a plate. Okay? It's all in the flip. Okay? Oh. Boom, there we go. And let's just hope for the best here now. Top it with some fresh cilantro. Put some fresh guacamole over the top. If you've seen that, I'll leave a link as to how to make that. I made a separate video on that. Well, there you have it, guys. Trash Can Nachos, man. Right on. Okay. Let's give them a try. Yeah. Okay. Okay, man, this was my first go at Trash Can Nachos, but man, they're pretty damn good, man. Man, cheesy. I'm telling you that. The guacamole dip's pretty awesome too. Well, there you go, guys. You know, it's one slice 3 times a week here. Sometimes 4, drop of it. So there you go, man. My first attempt, Trash Can Nachos here. I think I might try them a couple more times, but man, they're good, man. Give them a try here. Right on. Well, you guys keep going, be cool, and until next time.